I could have done 7% better if I wasn't talking, but I tried to guide you through it. That's all I got. What's going on, everybody? We're back to the second 15th minute workout. Dumbbell hell, death by dumbbell. We're throwing dumbbells in the mix today. 15 nasty exercises, minute each, all the way through. No transition, no rest. If you're dying, cramping, you got to put the weights down and go for it. Otherwise, we go straight through. Last sip of water right now. Sweat towel nearby. You don't need a water break when it's a 15-minute workout. So we're just going to smash and thrash like we always do. This will be tough and tax the whole body. Every single move we've done in my past 50 workout program. Plug in it again. Get your butts back there. Educate. Do that first. Then come into this. We're pro. We've looked at the list. We're warmed up already. Squat patterns, overhead press patterns, pretty basic moves. You know the moves to get warm. Not much else talking. Let's just get to this workout. It's going to be a 10-second lead in and a straight 15-minute clock. Get your 2 dumbbells ready. That's all you need with the sweat towel nearby. Okay, right before we get going, cameras drop down low. The last 2 moves on my list over here are off the floor, so keep your mat nearby, their core near the end. I have my 2 30-pound dumbbells ready to rock. I don't know who you are, so you can do any way you want to try. You can go big 50s, low volume, very light, high volume. This is a survival workout, so we're not trying to go max reps in the minute. We're just surviving motion for the minute. Remember, if you redline, you're stuck lagging behind. It'll take you forever to catch back up your breath, and you're going to lose reps in time in all the other rounds. Okay, 10-second lead in, and we're starting with the list. The theme sort of goes from overhead down to floor and back and forth, so it's going to be overhead press. Let's get this going right now. Okay, you can go strict press or push press or jerk. Those 3 I've taught. We know what they are. I'll start strict. Nice slow tempo. Here we go, 15 minutes non-stop. Remember, if you don't have that perfect overhead lock, you're doing 1 arm at a time because you're not there yet and you need to work on your overhead mobility. So that's a full lock without the scrunching of the shoulders coming up, and you can see your ear in front of the arms. You're not stuck out there somewhere cheerleading. Okay, I always talk too much to get these going. This is gonna take everything out of me. This is gonna be a battle and a war. That's halfway. I can take a little pause, up, pause. I can add a push if I need to, just to save the arms. There's a crap load of overhead. I regret that already. And it's gonna suck. Just keep a steady tempo. This is an endurance game. We're going to clean and press next. Dumbbells to the side. Clean, press, down. You can chill just hanging on to them. Remember, not a curl. We're cleaning the bell up and overhead and back down. Looks similar, but is not. Clean, press, down, down. Clean, press, down, down. Shoulders are gonna fall off today. Time your legs. Help get the whole body involved. Got a little double pump on the legs. 1, 2, boom. Down. 23 seconds to go. Yeah. 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 10 seconds. 1 more rep. Then we go into squats. Okay, awkward. You can squat with dumbbells beside you. I like to hold them up, or these power blocks I can hold flat. Ooh. And then we're testing that range of motion. Straight back, hips below, knees. Ooh. I don't have to rip quick reps. It's one of the Sunday slow dance here. Thrusters next are going to be by far one of the worst, especially after this 3 in a row overhead we've done. Facing forward, knees never cave, knees must go where the toes point them to go. They track nicely. There's no instability going down. Ooh, your external rotators hold them in place. 6 seconds. One more. Oh, rest the arms. Get a flush. Thrusters is the squat to press. So now I'm not resting. I'm holding the weight. Squat, press. Oh, squat, press. Squat, press. Squat, press. Squat, press. Ah, shoulders on fire. If you gotta take a break, don't put the bells down. Hold on to them. I'll do bursts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. Ooh, 20 seconds. Ooh, 2. Ooh, 3. Ooh, 4. 5. Whoa. Bent over row is our rest. Perfect hinge position. Row. Oh, get those shoulders traveling back. See if you can stretch the shoulder out, stretch the pecs out while we do this rep. Still don't have to go fast. Hold that perfect award-winning straight line back. Don't break into a round. You can go split if you want to. Talking too much, gotta catch my breath here. 23 seconds. And I'm a jerk, so obviously bicep curls are coming up next. It's gonna smash the forearms and the biceps again. Oh, I haven't put them down yet. Just like the Yale Barbell Club Challenge. We did a teaser 10-minute version of that. If you haven't gone back, it's workout number 15 in my full series. Awful. 30 minutes, no put down of the weight. And I'm thinking about a 1-hour version, which would be awful because I barely held on for the 30. Remember, just take a rest if you need to. We don't want to put the dumbbells down. Curling. You can swing curl if you have to. A little cheap power curl. Otherwise, lock that elbow like it's against the wall. And it doesn't come forward in the curl. That just defeats the purpose. Next is our devil press. That was from one of the final 10 minutes. That was the last 10-minute workout. Okay, we go down, wide stance. Just worm or sprawl to the bell. Don't do a push-up. Up, swing, full power snatch to the roof. I'll back up here. Whew, down, up, swing, boom, lock it out. Down. Oh, it's gonna get nuts. I'm slipping on my camo net. I didn't really give myself enough lock-it room. But that's what happens when your dumbbells go to 8 feet. Keep going, 15 seconds. We're gonna stay on the ground at the beep and do a dumbbell pass through. Okay, one dumbbell, start it on one side, get in the plank, reach to it, far, reach to it, far, reach, far. These are done better with regular dumbbells or kettlebells. Don't hula hoop dance, hold the hips sturdy, get that pass going. Trying to put your knees down, just looking ahead. We're getting there. Oh. 20 seconds. Yeah. Pass it through. Reach under and across. Sorry, my mic's getting smacked here. Ooh. 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 Okay, what did I say? Front fly, double dumbbell up, split stance, swing to the front, and lean back as you get that tap and down. Try to kind of linger it. Don't free swing it. This is for the upper pecs. Switch your stance. 30 seconds to go. 15. Next move is jump squat. Just holding dumbbells by our side. Here we go. Don't smack your knees. A little narrower stance. Load. I'm going to link 5 together. 3, 4, 5. Ooh. And take a 2-3 breath breather. No wobbly knees. Narrower stance, straighter toes. That's where the knees got to go. Butt has to sit back like there's a bench behind you. Oh, I missed reverse lunge. We're doing that next. Crap. 1, 2. Okay, skip reverse lunge. We're doing that now. Oh, nice and slow. 80% weight on your front leg. Back knee must touch ground. Light tap and up. You can lose one dumbbell. Go to body weight. You know how to modify. Hang on to a railing. Put a weight vest on. You can get nuts and jump. Scissor lunge these, but super burpees are the last number. Oh, forearms burning. Just keep moving. It's only 15 minutes. You want the short route, you get the double black diamond. Okay, renegade row on the ground. Take a wide stance. I'll go this way. Narrow dumbbells, wider legs. 1, 1. Left, right. Left, right. Single dumbbell. You're just doing a lot and switching hand. Control the hips. This is a core movement as much as a row. Oh. Oh, 25 seconds. Gonna need that sweat towel. We need our mat for the next 2 moves. Oh, 8 seconds. 1, 2, 2. Okay, V-sit on your butts. Oh, slow transition, fading. Okay, hold the V, just survive. You can do actual V-sit reps if you want, or the goal is to press and hold. Press, hold. Press, hold. Oh, hovering. Press, hold. All from the abs. Dying. Mic is in my way. Good excuse. 10 seconds. And then we fall right back to hollow rock. So one dumbbell only. Hold it any way you want. Lay it back. So weighted. We're holding that full hollow. You can hold the C. Remember, we can do the single leg. And I'm so tall, these kill me over time, so I prefer the single leg method. And upper body, we're up in that luge position. That is our hollow. You don't lose it to the ground. Oh, C-rock. Oh, dang. I'm trying to save afterburner for the super burpees. So I'll call it in 20 seconds. Small C-rocks. Push that dumbbell to the roof. Oh, burning. I'm gonna get up. Super burpees. Last one. Oh, we remember those. Get it going. Afterburners. Here we go. One jump. Lunge, jump the lunge, down. Push up, row, push up, row. Up, into jump. Scissor, scissor, down. Push up, row, push up, row. Keep it going and get one more. Yeah, sweating. That's it. Death by dumbbell. I could have done 7% better if I wasn't talking, but I tried to guide you through it. That's all I got. That's it. We'll head into our third 15-minute workout. You have all the 10s to work through, and you have my big 50 series. Please tell a friend, share it with a friend, spouse, sibling, neighborhood rival. Make some healthy competition. That's it for now. See everyone back for the next workout.